Where, where in? Don't press the button. I totally love this game. And I leveled up in this game. I got the hoverboard. I got the speed coil. And I got the dance, which is for 300. And this game is usually very fun. This is my most favorite non press the button ever. I always play it, but I usually don't make videos. Don't get caught by T-Rex. Where is this T-Rex? Come after me, Godhead. Sayonara. Sayonara, T-Rex. You can't find me because you're too dumb. And I bet I can jump over there. Man, what the hell? What was that for? Well, I'm kicking it off. Kick your mouth and put you to the moon. Hatu! Hatu! Now I'm gonna die if I do that. And I have no idea why it's all your character. You look like the mushroom. Oh, I'm the giant. I never been the giant. Why call it Koisa? Is it in my inventory? Yes, it is. You know what? I'll just jump here. I just killed that little mushroom. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute as hell. It's getting another hell. Koresa. Dun 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 dun. So cute. So cute. I want to keep it. It's so cute. What did that do? Oh. It is this building, unfortunately. Oh no, it's gonna hit my face. And like, I wonder who I hate more. I wonder who I hate more of my friends. Dooley or Sigma or TV? Yeah, Sigma, bro. Dooley got angry at me and betrayed me. Yeah, he did. I have no idea. Like, it's because that I'm a girl. Like, how does that count? I have no idea how does that count. Like, how does that make sense? Please somebody explain this. Like, my name was Rose, but now changed it to Lava. Which I don't know why did I do that. You cannot blow me, stupid fan. And even over my edge, I will come to your face and shoot you around. Because I have a speed coil and here I am. Ugly Shawangly. Look at that little mushroom. I just want to squeeze it. It's so cute. Are you kidding me? I'm so cute. Raining ball. I mean, not that ball. Like the real ball, the playing ball. That one. No, you could stay with me. Ow! Yeah, guys, that was my sister. Yeah, that was my sister. It's not someone else. It's not my mom. It's my sister. Yeah, it's my sister. Look at this avatar. I mean, I kind of like this avatar. Where's that twin? Twin. We're the same. Twin. Another twin. Wait, no. Hello, twin. He my evil twin. Sayonara. Dun 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 dun.
So what this is a chocolate egg that's banned in the USA because there's a toy inside, like the container of the toy touches the chocolate, and that's like illegal in the USA. And it's really small, so a lot of kids don't choke on it. I want to save this and give it to my mom because she likes these. But you guys try it because we haven't had that in a long time. It's so good. Yeah. Good. There's a man at Connor's face. I know that so hard. You see Cameron's face behind the screen like, oh my gosh, what is this? Yeah. A 5-year-old.
Now just you wait until I get at your stupid stinky face. Here I am. I told you that I would come to you so fastly.
What do you guys rate the Kinder Surprise? I know it's 10 out of 10. Here we go. What about out of 5 stars? For the Kinder, right?
Oh my god! Why is this so long? Why is this so hard? I want that more. There we go. Boom, our car, boom. You're just police, you ain't getting me, you stupid police. No, Mario squishy. Oh man. A car is jumping up here. And I don't know how is this car jumping up. I don't know how. And how is he driving this? The hoverboard? I don't know why. Corisa. Oh, that laser almost cut in my head. This is where he's going. No, I don't want to die just like you. And I almost died. Oh shit. Hi puppy. Hi puppy. Who's a Poppy? Who's Poppy? Easy. Generator online? Yes.
Today she's gonna give me a fruit.
Which fruit?
And I just told you.
The Kalsune.
She has 3.
So one for you, one for me.
She's 9 years old.
9 years old and with that much? Well, I'm gonna get 2,000.
And I'm gonna get 3,000.
Who told you?
Yeah. Because I'm older and you're gonna spend yours.
I'm just going to spend it on early access. That's it. That's it.
What early access?
In strong battlegrounds.
What does that mean?
Huh?
Well, if I have Robux, if I have Robux, 3,000 Robux. If I have 3,000 Robux,
Oh no! I fall down!
and I
Yes.
have 3,000 Robux, I'll make my avatar get VIP and also Justin Plus. Also, I'm going to get Janavita also VIP in yeah. And also, I'm going to get Premium and also VIP in Brookhaven. And I can get all of the houses.
Man. Well, I'm gonna get 2,000 at least.
And you know that house that looks so cool?
No.
All of the houses that has a star on it.
No. Emma.
Look, the house that has stars and you cannot get it. Get premium. You know?
I think so.
And what?
Green
Emma.
light,
Yes.
red light,
Yes.
green light,
I can get in
red
all.
light,
All of the houses I can get it.
green light, red light, green light, red light,
How? I didn't even move.
green light, red light, green light, red light,
How?
green light, red light, green light,
Oh, this one again. Okay.
green light, red light, 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 green light, red light,
Mm, I'll take that. And you take that. Hello. Who's Poppy? I don't know who the hell is Poppy. Easy to run.